By the end of this video, you're gonna learn exactly how I made $10,000 in 30 seconds and how you can do the exact same thing. I'm gonna go through the process of my trade, the process of copy trading, and the process of getting the best prop firm. This literally just happened in the market and I am absolutely shocked. When I was trying to learn how to trade, I literally had to go to the pantry every single week to feed my family because we could not afford groceries. Now I'm making $10,000 in 30 seconds. And it's not just me, my Discord is crushing it, bro. They're eating tonight. Like, what the heck is going on? It's supposed to be a Sunday night. What the heck is happening? This indicator that we developed has a 9-trade win streak. People be asking me, what prop firm should I use? I don't know what prop firm to use. And I'm telling you, Prop Firm Match is the absolute GOAT. They vet all of their prop firms, but we'll talk about them later on near the end of this video. So I go into the market. As you guys can see, it's still live. It's 11 minutes on a 15-second time frame, so it's live. I'm not capping. What happened was I entered a trade after price broke my 15-minute line. So people typically drop to the 1 minute after it breaks on the 15-minute, but what I do is I trade from the 15-minute to the 15-second. So price ends up breaking my line and I saw a fair value gap form. So what happened was my kids were, in the way and I couldn't hit a sniper entry the way I wanted to because I would have entered off of that area right there. So I don't typically do this, but I had to enter a little bit later. Price ends up wicking me in still, and I'm so glad I caught it because I caught a BLA, a freaking BLA right here, a freaking BLA. That's for all my non-state residents. But man, I caught a good one right here. This trade took 30 seconds. It entered me in right here, officially at this candle, pushed up, ran to my take profit. This was the fastest trade that I've been in a very long time. The fastest trade that I've been in a very, very long time. And so when we go to TradeSyncer, you see $10,000. It's not crazy to make $10,000. The cool thing about TradeSyncer, you can add a connection. And what I love about TradeSyncer specifically, which I haven't mentioned in other videos, you see it, I made $2,000 on all of these 5 different accounts. What you can do is you can actually risk more on different accounts. So essentially I can risk 1 mini on my main account, and then on the rest, if I wanted to double it, I could do 2, I could do 3, 4, 5, whatever the prop firm allows. So this is a good tip right here. What you can do, you can actually, if you're trying to get new prop firms after being funded and still copy trade, you can risk low on your main accounts. So if you're like, I just want to make $300 a day, but you're trying to make 1,000 to hurry up and get funded on the other ones, you can expand how much you're risking on the other prop firm accounts as you're trying to pass the challenge and not risk a whole bunch on your evals. That's something that I actually kind of forgot about. And when I was showing somebody about it, I was like, oh, because for me personally, it's just been really hard to try to copy different prop firms because I have to think about different things all at once. They also have a risk management tool that you can put on here. It's been in beta for a long time, but they finally released it. You can lock the account if you feel like you're gonna go on tilt. It's really, really cool. What I need to do for this is I need to create my P&L card. Isn't that cool? Isn't that freaking cool? Let me go ahead and download that. So you're gonna use TradeSyncer to do that. And I'm telling you, TradeSyncer is a humongous blessing. They will get you right. The next thing that we're gonna go over is if you go into your Google, you can go to Tradeify. And the way that you're gonna use Tradeify, I recommend going with the select plan. Now it takes 3 days to pass because they have a 40% consistency rule. But when you get the account, please use my coupon code, Kalin Trades, and apply it. Okay, I can't refer myself, but you get a big discount if you use my coupon code. It won't let me refer myself, but just know if you use it, you'll get a big coupon code, okay? But they also have very affordable evaluations. And if you use the growth plan to pass in 1 day, it's actually $64. And you can stack them. So Tradeify is really, really good for that. But if you don't like Tradeify, if you go through their rules and you don't like their rules, you can go to propfirmmatch.com. And let's just say that you don't trade futures. I trade Forex, I trade crypto. PropFirmMatch has futures, Forex, and crypto options that you can trade with. So we know people love Lucid. People just love Lucid. They're head over heels about Lucid. Lucid is great. I can't complain about Lucid. They're really, really good. But maybe you like Alpha. Maybe you like My Fund of Futures. Maybe you heard of Top One. Maybe you like Top Step. Maybe you, we hate Apex. Maybe you like this one right here. You know what I'm saying? Like maybe there's different ones that you've heard of and you wanted to try it out. If you go to PropFirmMatch, they will actually allow you to be able to get the biggest coupon codes, and you can go directly onto the specific prop firm that you're choosing, and it will tell you what the reviews are. But if the prop firm is on propfirmmatch.com, you know that they're legit because they vet every single prop firm that is on their website. I just made a video about how I've gotten scammed by prop firms before. Go ahead and check that out. I'll leave it in the description. But let's just say that you don't trade futures and you trade Forex. They have all of these different Forex combines that you can go for, and it's affordable. It is a huge blessing. I love that. So all in all, I'm grateful that I caught a banging trade tonight. This was really, really cool. I have an indicator and a course that trades the exact same way that I do. And we've also been developing a bot that will actually place the trade for you. The wait list will be in my description and the link in my bio. And I also am starting an inner circle mentorship. It is going to be expensive, but I'll be doing an intensive boot camp through that. If that interests you, that'll be there as well. Hey, I went into a little bit more detail about prop firms in this video and just how I rated every single prop firm to make sure that people don't get scammed on here and you don't have to waste time doing research, all of that. Go ahead and check this video out and I'll see y'all in that video. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you there.